How to download TikTok on laptop. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose and without further ado let's begin. Launch any web browser on a device, suppose Google Chrome. Click search bar. Type in tiktok.com and press enter on your keyboard. And then you will land on the official interface of TikTok where you can easily see variety of options available. Simply you need to click on the three dots at top right corner of your browser. Now you need to scroll down. Select the More Tools option, and now you simply need to look for the option of Create Shortcut. If you don't find here, you can easily click on Cast Save and Share option, and here you can easily see the options to install TikTok. So click on Install TikTok, and now you need to click on Install button. After that, when you go ahead and see here the Accept site here, you can easily see that we have successfully installed or downloaded TikTok on laptop. So that was it. I hope this guide was helpful. If it was, then do like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.